Welcome back to another episode of Scum Dog Fishing. Your bowhead brother Chester. Down here, the creek, actually it's the river. I'm going to do some small light jigging. Got some red wigglers. I'm going to go minimal, just taking my pliers, my ultralight, the worms, some small jigs. Maybe just take 2 jigs. I'm just trying to get down here and get some creek fishing in. Had to come up north today. It's car insurance time. It's always a bummer. Pay for stuff you never really use. But anyway, get down to the river. We'll get after it here. Hell yeah. I'm gonna change my mind. I'm gonna take this too. I'm allowed to change my mind, but I'm gonna take this and the worms. I sound like Steve Martin on The Jerk. I'm leaving. All I'm doing, I'm taking this lamp, and that's all I need. I don't need anything else. And I'm gonna take this chair because all I need is this lamp and this chair. And take my dog. Come on, shithead. I really like it down here. I've been fishing this spot since I was a kid. There used to be a dam under the bridge, or just the other side of the bridge actually, but they took it out years ago. I think it was a mill dam for the town up on the hill. Could catch just about anything over here. Well, like I said, I'm just micro fishing. Just got that little jig on. My first stop is usually this big rock that's in the center here. It moved years ago. It used to be just a little up here, but now it's down here from the floods that we had in 2006. I'll get a worm on here and get after it just in a minute. That looks like a nice little fish snack. Fish snack. Jump back over here to my bigger rock so I don't fall and bust my ass. Well, you'd think if there was something by that rock and it was a worm eater, it would have went after it. I'm gonna cast a few more times at it, and then I'm gonna go up over by the bridge over there. That's part of the old dam I was talking about before. down there. I just can't tell exactly what it is. Can't really get a good cast near it. Okay, this one's gonna be right on top of it. I see something moving around down there, but is it going to take what I'm presenting? Probably not. It looks like it's spawning, whatever it is. Probably a huge rock bass or smallmouth. I knew I should have just brought my bait caster down here. Oh, it spun on it. Come on, take it. Oh, whatever it is, it's spawning. And it doesn't want anything to do with this worm rig. Damn it. Shit. Maybe I'll walk up and get the bait caster. Not far from it anyway. Got it. Got it. Got it. Nice. It's a nice little smallmouth. Am I still recording? Oh, thank goodness for that. Nice little smallie. I've only got a 6-pound leader on here, so I don't want to horse it. I got 10-pound braid, but I only got a 6-pound leader. He's getting a little tight now. All right, all right. Shit, yes. Hell, I'm gonna measure this thing too. Look at that, guys. Look at that guy. I can't measure it. I'm gonna tape. I'll do it off of my pole here, and then I'll measure it when I get back to the car. Cause like I said, I did minimal. Shit, yeah. Alright, don't flop around too much, but all right. Now let's see where your little tail goes to here. I'm going to say 1/4 inch past my hook tooth. Give you a little dunk here, I'll get a picture, and then we'll release you, buddy. So that was worth walking down here. Oh, excuse me. Well, thank you for coming and playing. I appreciate it. Go back to your bed. Oh, got my feet wet, you dirty bitch. Well, that was awesome. That made the stop under the bridge worth it as far as I'm concerned. I had to come over where all the splashing was. I didn't care about getting my foot a little wet. Couldn't stand watching them jump over here and not cast over here before I left. I don't know what it is. It might be carp. If it is, I've got a hell of a ride on my hands if I catch one of them. Bunch of little munchers down there. Oh. Oh. What is that? What just went after it? Is that a freaking carp? Holy shit. No, it's a big ass drum. Jeez, oh man, I don't know about this guy. He's fucking big. He's not real rambunctious yet. Come here, drum guy. What's wrong with you? For as big as you are, you sure don't have a lot of fight in you. That's all right though. I'll keep you. Oh, well, I'm not gonna keep you, but I'll take it. Come here, you nasty thing. Come on now, quit flopping. All right, I got you. I got you, sucker. Look how damn big it is, though. I mean, that's freaking huge. You know what? I don't know what the hell a pinfish is for a freshwater drum guy, but we're gonna do the old lay it down on the freaking rod method, because that might be number 2 for the season. Come on, drum bud. Let's see where you go to. All right, that's about to the end of the rod. And I will say it is right there. Put a little nick on there with the piece of shell, and then I'll tie something on there. But that's, never would have thought I'd catch an old drum bud out of here like that. That's a hell of a damn river fish. He looks like it's spawning. Got some goo coming out of its rear end. You got the goo, buddy. Don't act all stupid like you can't swim. Oh yeah. Creek fishing. There's another big ass fish out here. Maybe those were what was jumping. Oh, well, they're creek shoes now. Shit. Gotta be up here spawning. No way. That's a freaking gar. Holy shit. I mean, this is like red letter day, bro. This is like red letter day. Holy shit. Oh, there's a gar out there. Never caught a gar. And I don't have any damn bait on there. What the frick? A little rock bass. So we've got a smallmouth, a sheephead, and a rock bass. It's not bad for a couple hours as far as I'm concerned, especially since I believe the sheephead, freshwater drum, whatever the hell you want to call it. Now that I think about it, I'm almost certain that that was definitely a fish wild. All right, before I go to the second place, or I don't know, maybe I won't even go to the second place because it is kind of getting late in the day. Maybe I'll forego the second place, I'm not sure. Yeah, no, let me see what time it is. Yeah, I should probably go. But we'll conclude this episode then. But I'm gonna measure these out. So drum bud was 22 inches long, and that smallmouth was 14 and a half. It's not bad, not bad. Let me get the chart here. Freshwater drum guy, 24 inches. Focus, damn you. Anyway, it's 24, so I missed it by 2 inches. Shit balls. All right, do the outro from the car here, but had a good time out there fishing today. And like I said, I'm not going to the other spot right at the moment. Do that for another video one of these other days. But y'all take it easy and give me a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to give them the medal. Oh yeah.
Metal, 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 metal. Yeah.